Hello and welcome back to English MA. My name is Momina and I am your English teacher. This channel is for anyone who wants to learn English in a simple and clear way. I always speak slowly. I use easy words and I give you short stories for listening practice. So, if you want to understand, speak, and enjoy English, you are in the right place. Today's lesson is all about 10 common English questions. These are the questions you hear most when you meet new people. I will show you how to answer them easily. You will repeat after me, and then we will listen to a short story that uses all the questions together. Let's begin. What's your name? What's your name? My name is Sarah, or we can say, I am Sarah. Question 2. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Egypt. Or we can just say, I come from Egypt. Question 3. How old are you? How old are you? I am 20 years old. Or I am 20. Question 4. What do you do? What do you do? I am a student, or I study at university. Question 5. How are you? How are you? I am fine, thank you. I am good. Question 6. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza, or I like pizza. Question 7. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Yes, a little. Or yes, I can speak English. Question 8. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in Dubai. Or my home is in Dubai. Question 9. What time is it? What time is it? It's 7 o'clock. Or it's 7. Question 10. What's your hobby? What's your hobby? My hobby is reading. My hobby is reading, or I like reading. Yes, excellent. You have just learned 10 common English questions and easy answers. Now, let's listen to a short story where two people use these questions in a real conversation. Yes, great job listening. You just practiced 10 common English questions and answers in a real story. Now it's your turn. Write your answers in the comments. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your hobby? And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are learning English. See you in the next lesson. Bye.